Kahilira o kalinya na ni GMA Network Incorporated Chairman and CEO Atty. Felipe Gozon ang mga kanipangulo o mga Chief Justices nga gipasidunggan sa Wesleyan University, Philippines. Gipasidunggan siya og prestihiyosong degree nga Doctor of Laws Honoris Causa. Ano ang detalye?
I now admit you into the degree of Doctor of Laws Honoris Causa and present to you your diploma.
Gipasidunggan sa Wesleyan University, Philippines, si GMA Network Chairman and CEO Atty. Felipe Gozon og degree nga Doctor of Laws Honoris Causa sa seremonyas nga gipahigayon sa Central United Methodist Church sa Manila ni atong Biyernes sa buntag. Ang conferment rights gipanguluhan ni Wesleyan University President Judge Benjamin Turgano, apil ang uban pang opisyal ug miyembro sa Board of Trustees sa universidad.
I am deeply humbled by the degree of Doctor of Laws, Honoris Causa, you have conferred on me. This recognition speaks of the many things that I stand for, the things that give my life meaning, and the values I live by. For all of that, I am most grateful, especially to our Lord. Beginning today, I can proudly say that I am not only a Kapuso, but I am also a Wesleyan.
Nakahuman si Atty. Gozon og abogasiya nga naa sa top 10 sa iyang klase sa University of the Philippines College of Law ni adtong 1962. Ika-13 sab siya sa 1962 bar examinations og nakahuman sa Master of Laws sa Yale University ni atong 1965. Sa iyang pamahayag, gipaambit ni Atty. Gozon ang iyang pananaw kung unsaon pagbuntog ang mga pagsuway.
Integrity and truth are what we live for in the media industry. Every day, we separate the chaff from the grain. And we walk on a tightrope of economic, political, social, religious, security, and other information. We battle fake news because the public deserves only accurate, timely, and objective news and information. At GMA, our election campaign is dapat totoo, and we are committed to truth above all else. The same is true in life. If you go with the truth, you can never go wrong.
Ubo sa pagpangu ni Atty. Gozon, nag-number 1 ang GMA Network.
When I took the helm of the GMA in 2000, we were a far second among the Philippine TV stations. So I dreamed of making GMA number 1 and rallied my team to work harder than ever before. The rest is history.
Si Atty. Gozon ang labing unang gihatagan og Doctor of Laws Honoris Causa sa Wesleyan University gikan sa pribadong sektor. Apil sa mga unang nahatagan og ingon ani nga pasidungog, mao sila si kanhi Presidente Fidel Ramos, Chief Justice Renato Puno ug Bishop Emerito Nakpil. Hilabihan ang pagdayeg kaniya sa Wesleyan community.
Number 1, the centrality of Christ in his life. Number 2, his legal scholarship. And number 3, his business entrepreneurship, which was responsible in the phenomenal rise of GMA Network to become the number 1 industry leader in broadcast media. So those things are a mixture of hard work, vision, and the willingness to do what is right and open to innovation and creativity.
Atty. Gozon is really exemplary. Well, at the age of 83, He has witnessed to a lot of events. The technology boom, the soar in technology, all problems, all developments, he is into it. And he is one of the few at age 80 who has built up and still active in putting up or managing a corporation that he founded.
Mitambong sa okasyon ang pamilya ni Atty. Gozon nga gipanguluhan sa iyang misis nga si Teresa. Apil usab sa mga mitambong ang mga board of directors ug officers sa GMA sa pagpangu ni GMA President and CEO Gilberto Duavit Jr., Executive Vice President Felipe Dr. Jaime Laya, kanhi Chief Justice Artemio Panganiban o kanhi Chief Justice Renato Puno nga trustee sa GMA Kapuso Foundation. Uguban pang mga GMA senior executives, mato ni Atty. Gozon, dakong inspirasyon ang gihatag nga pasidungog.
Hindi pala lang tayo naniniwala sa atin, kundi yung mga nanonood din sa ating mga values na sinasabing we are observing. Well, that inspires us to continue because we must be doing something right.
Uban ni Clans Gabutin, Chelo Valiana, Balitang Bisdak.